Shoots nicely. Oh, I'm gonna try and get this off the shoulder. Well guys, we're out here at the shooting range and I have just tested out my new 375 H&H made by Zastava Arms, and I am super impressed. We just did 4 shots off the shooting sticks and I managed to shoot a really nice tight grouping. 3 shots, I pulled 1 shot. It's quite a light rifle, it's got quite a punch to it. And then I did 2 rapid fire shots on a separate target. First shot I hit the bull, second shot I held a little low for the recoil, and I shot probably 2 inches below the bull. So yeah, super impressed with it and ready for its first buffalo experience this week coming up with a client coming in. So we'll keep you guys informed on how it all pans out. Just another one, guys, coming to SA, which is super important if you are coming out to do dangerous game. Get out to the shooting range, put hours. Yes, we all know ammunition costs a lot of money, but a life costs more if you're unprepared. And get out there. My last group of guys came out, they were super prepared. We got into a tricky situation with the buff and they managed to put the bullets where they counted in the thick fish of a valley. So just for those who are coming out, get practicing, get shooting, spend loads of time, shoot off sticks, shoot offhand, shoot off the bench, get yourself into awkward positions where you've got to make sure that the shot counts. And if you really want to go the extreme, find a spot where you can put your stuff down, run backwards and forwards, get the heart rate up, grab the rifle and fire 3 rapid shots at 10, 20 and 30 yards just to coach yourself into a tricky situation where it counts that you put the bullet everywhere all the time, where you aim, one after the other. So that's just from me with talking about 375 and dangerous game. Until next time, guys, cheers.